Maruti Suzuki introduces a quick and efficient dry wash system that does not just cleans your car but also saves precious water. Our innovative wash program ensures that you get a superior finish without having to pay more. Here's what's needed to begin: foaming gun, fiber cloth, glass squeezy, wheel brush, and a wash mitt. Let's now start to give a new-like finish to your car with our dry wash foaming system. Park the car in the shaded area. Blow air to remove loose dust from the car surface. Fill 10 ml of foam wash in the applicator bottle with 1000 ml of water. Connect foam gun to pneumatic air line and spray foam liberally on the vehicle and wheel. Use wheel brush to loosen the dirt and grind from the wheel and wheel arcs. The foam acts like a sponge, drawing the dirt and gently pulling it down. Use wash mitt to wipe and clean across the car surface to loosen the dirt and grind. And then use a glass squeezy to remove the dirt and residue. Use a wet and dry microfiber cloth to remove all the dirt and grime. Wipe off in one direction and get a sparkling surface. You are now all set with a new-like sparkling finish of your car. We are sure that you can easily see the difference that our dry wash foaming system makes. And it's eco-friendly too. Here are some benefits of using our dry car wash system. It saves water as well as reduces the time of car cleaning. Heavy duty cleaning, specially designed for cleaning stubborn dirt. Inhibits rust and prevents dirt from sticking. Cleans the car body without any scratches and gives it a high gloss finish. It's 100% eco-friendly. No side effects on rubber, plastic and other surfaces. Saves water, saves life. It saves money, manpower and time as compared to any normal wash.